So this question says you have a cubic function f of x equals ax cubed plus bx plus 6. The points 1, 4, 2, 11 both lie on the graph. Find the rule for f of x. So this can be answered in two ways. One is with a calculator, one's without the calculator. You should be able to do it both ways. But basically, you should hopefully recognize that we're going to get two simultaneous equations. Yeah, and then we're going to substitute x and y values into those equations, and then we're going to solve those equations simultaneously. So I'm going to just show how to do that on the calculator. The first thing you want to do is you want to define the cubic, and make sure you put multiplication signs between the a times x cubed and then b times x plus 6. And interactive, define that. Let's define that as f of x. Okay, and then what you want to do is you want to click keyboard, and then you want to go to math 1, but it's just this one here. And you're going to have two equations because we've been given 2 points. So basically, when the function is equal to 4, the x value that's substituted in is 1. So what we know is that f of 1 equals 4. Now let's just think about what's happening there. F of 1 equals 4. So if we made x1, so a times 1 cubed plus b times 1 plus 6 equals 4. So that's one equation with a and b as unknowns. The other equation will be when x is 2, y is 11. And then what we're going to do is we're going to solve for a and b. So after that line, you have to put a comma b, and the calculator can solve this simultaneously. So if you press enter, you're going to get a equals 1.5 and b equals negative 3.5. Generally speaking, we like fractions. So a is 3 on 2 and b is negative 7 on 2. So our full equation, just so we're clear, for this line would be f of x, and I'm just not doing any calculations here, I'm just writing it, would be 3 on 2, because that's a, times x cubed, minus 7 on 2, x plus 6. And I guarantee you, if we were to sketch this line, and I need to be very careful with my brackets, if I was to sketch that line on Desmos, it would go through the point 1, 4 and 2, 11. So hopefully that clarifies things. You also need to be able to do that by hand by solving two simultaneous equations by either using substitution or elimination. But yeah, hopefully that way on the calculator helps as well.